Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify home equity appraisal impact with Rocket Homes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify the impact of a home equity appraisal with Rocket Homes, start by visiting their official website. Look for the Home Equities section on the homepage. Click on the link to learn more about home equity appraisal services. Review the provided information to understand the appraisal process. Next, create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal details and create a secure password. Once your account is set up, log into the Rocket Homes portal. Navigate to the Home Equity page from your dashboard. Enter your property address to begin the home equity appraisal process. Review the estimated value of your home as provided by Rocket Homes. Compare this estimate with other valuation tools or local market trends. If you're satisfied with the estimate, request a formal appraisal through the site. Fill out any required forms, providing accurate and detailed information about your home. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation from Rocket Homes. You will receive an email detailing the next steps in the appraisal process. Prepare for the appraiser's visit by gathering relevant documents. These may include recent upgrades, tax assessments, and comparable sales in your area. Once the appraisal is complete, you will receive the official report. Carefully review the final appraisal value along with the insights provided. If the value supports your equity goals, consider your options moving forward. If adjustments are necessary, consult with a Rocket Homes advisor for personalized advice. Make informed decisions based on the appraisal findings to manage your home equity effectively. Continue to monitor market trends to stay updated on your home's value. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.